100, 50, 40.
Our mission is supporting Eastern Sentry, or the first stages of the military activity of Eastern Sentry, through the compilation of an enhanced radar picture and presence and along the eastern flank of NATO. NATO AWACS has a unique capability that we can provide early warning with a long-range detection of low-level targets. We are increasing our presence along the eastern flank. So NATO AWACS supports the deterrence and defense of the NATO alliance through the early warning capabilities our unique platform has. We then share the information, the compiled air picture through automatic data links to our allies so that they can counter these potential threats.
Earlier this month, Russian drones violated NATO airspace. Today we're flying the first AWACS mission in support of the new military activity, Eastern Sentry. We're flying a surveillance mission on the eastern flank over Poland. Since the Russian invasion of Ukraine, we've conducted those surveillance missions on the eastern flank almost every day. What's new now in the new setup is that collaboration and cooperation is at a new level. We're here to gather as much information as possible about possible threats to the airspace of the alliance and then report it off to our allies so that they can react to every possible threat.